almost missed this film in IMAX, but after double checking, I realized that by Tuesday, Napoleon would actually take the throne. The story takes place with a character named Snow. Him and his family actually live within the capital. Snow actually needs money for school, so he uses his mentorship in order to advance in life.
I hope to go on to the university, sir. Naturally.
And if you fail to win the Plinth Prize, what then?
We pay tuition, of course.
The capital's mentorship is actually run by Viola Davis's character, who is actually a bridge between those who enter the games and those who win their freedom.
Maybe one day you'll be a game maker like me.
If the games continue at all.
Oh, they'll continue. With performances like young Mr. Snow.
The stage is set, and Snow is assigned a songbird by the name of Lucy, who is actually good at entertaining the crowd by singing.
When I was a babe, I fell down in the hole. When I was a girl, I fell into your arms.
Snow and Lucy, they form a bond as mentor and tribute, but later they end up forming a romance. If you've ever seen any of the films within the series, you know that the games are actually vicious, and also no one can be trusted. After Lucy wins, courtesy of Snow helping her, Lucy is actually free, but Snow is actually taken out of the capital and is actually placed within a district.
Yeah. Are you trying to help these people? Don't you think they need help? They lost the war, Janus. A war they started that made your family rich.
The second half of the film becomes more of a love story. Snow is actually assigned to District 12, and while Lucy is performing at the bar, she sees and realizes that Snow is also with her.
Oh, hey there, District 12. Did you miss me? Yeah! I bet you never expected to lay eyes on me again, and let me tell you that goes both ways, but I am back.
Snow goes through a journey throughout the film, and by the time the film is over, he truly understands the purpose of the Hunger Games, and so do we. Anyways, if you're a fan of the series, or if you've never seen any of the movies, this film is a great way to check it out as a prequel prior to seeing the other 5 films. This is the IMAX experience.